Murf.
Where's Kimberly?
Water? I got water myself. I brought
Going deep. You're down in the hole.
this here is we're adding this pipe here. There it is right there. And brings up under the ground. It's an artesian well. And I'm giving him a hand to get this done. There's a sister plate. Sister there. Time for me to get a cider. I need a cider. That Murphy's tough. Murphy is tough. What we got down in here? 7.7. Whoa, that's apple cider. That's potent. Okay. Let's follow the smoke. Let's follow the smoke, guys. Let's follow the smoke. You're one tough son of a bitch, buddy! Woo! That's a welder. He's salt of the earth, that guy. He knows what he's a boat builder, eh? Worked at the shipyards and everything. When Darren brought in the guns, he brought in the big guns. Some buoys. Look at the buoys. Beautiful buoys. Beautiful buoys. Oh no, it's all good.
Is that in?
What's wrong? Yeah.
We'll put that one down in there.
I think so.
First, you want to clean that?
I got this, Darren. Get your in. Murph got her now. Murph's gonna plumb it now. He's gonna plumb it. That looks awesome. And tomorrow, Darren will cut that off level low. He'll cut that level with a zip cut. We'll be here tomorrow doing some extra work. Oh. Sorry, Murph. Might have to hold that, Darren. Oh, maybe not. This rod's quite long. Reaching in and weld it. That's a nice torpedo level.
What's that over there?
Magnetized aluminum. Looks like steel aluminum, but it's
Heavy-duty magnets on it.
but it must be aluminum with magnets. Yeah, that's kind of rare.
Aircraft aluminum.
Oh, I like
I
it.
got it from NASA.
I love it. My shingle lift is from NASA.
Yeah.
It's aircraft aluminum.
Yeah.
And my staging, my sawhorses are aircraft aluminum.
Yeah.
We get it from NASA. good job, eh, Darren? Does a beautiful work, eh? He does beautiful work. He's tough as nails, that guy. That's something straight, too. Yeah, right now. Somebody's happy. Woo! That's the stuff. Oh yeah, somebody's up front with that. When you're happy and you know it, dance your feet. Woo. Right on the bubble. You know, you get someone to come here and do that. That's the quarter point. You know, that's what things along. Even if they wanted a lot of money to get it done, it's hard to get anybody to get things done. Yeah. They don't want to do anything, especially small jobs.
Yeah.
What's in the box, Darren?
It's a cap.
What's that?
Well cap.
Well taps?
Well cap. You'll see.
Okay. Just for my viewers. The viewers want to know.
Yeah, it's a cap.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
It's on top of the pipe.
Oh, cap. C-A-P.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. With a good old ring in it. That's
Yeah.
beautiful.
That's
Air
it.
venting. You got little air vents right there on the side.
That O-ring keeps the bugs out.
Yes, sir.
So does them.
Yes, sir. I can understand that.
That's where the wire goes up through.
Okay, yeah. That's right. Right there. The water goes through that hole.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the cap of the artesian well, guys. Good job, Murf. You're the man, buddy. That's Mr. Murf. Mr. Murf. I've videotaped Mr. Murf before. Various predicaments he was in. He did really well.
Got me once or twice.
He always does really well, Mr. Murf. The journeyman daggone welder. You gotta have a journeyman welder in your back pocket, seems so to me. Yeah, you can't beat them millers, I'll tell you. Gas miller, man. That's beautiful, eh? That's what this needed for years now. Have this pipe come right from the depth straight to the top that you can actually work on it. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. He leveled it all up there. He put the collar on the bottom and leveled that all up with his with Darren's torpedo level. And he torpedo leveled the pipe. Welded that in really nice. It's just beautiful. Beautiful workmanship, eh? Very plumb, eh? Plumb and level. And then we'll cut that off. Darren will cut that off tomorrow. Be another video probably. And then Darren will fit this piece in right here to cover. And it'll be great. Be great. Yeah, it's gonna look good. So Darren's over there talking to Mr. Murf. And I see this hornet. See that hornet right there, guys? That's a yellow jacket. See him right there? You know what he likes? He likes apples. Yellow jackets love apples. And I could have put him in my mouth and chewed him up, but I think maybe he might have stung my inners. He's on me. He doesn't really want to burn me. I think he wants to... see him there? See him? Yeah. What are you doing, little biker? What are you doing? I just squashed him. I'm sorry, guys, but I did. I put my finger on him and squashed his head. Now I can do my sipping. Please don't say any bad things about me squashing the head off a yellow jacket. It could have burnt me, but it didn't. But it could have, and that could have means a lot to a human being, that it could have been burnt and stung, and I could have had a reaction. I could have been hurt. So, you know, it's good to put him to sleep. This is beautiful, huh? Look at that. I kick it. It doesn't move. You know why? Because Mr. Murphy is the welder. He did that for my sister. And now we don't have to, well, not me, but Darren, being a plumber and the electrician, he does not have to go dig a hole. You see how deep that hole is right there? We'll put the cover on it, and then we'll bury all the dirt right here, back in it. And all would be sticking out of the ground will be this piece of pipe and that cover. For future. So if it never ever needs to be pulled out again, we don't have to do it drastically what has been done here. Boring a big hole, digging things out is exhausting. It's not good at all. And it makes sense, right? So it's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful.
All right. I'm going to run this back to the plant.
Okay.
Run the weights extractor back. Don't need that anymore.
Okay, we're going to be going here, guys. So we'll let you go, and we'll give you a report maybe tomorrow on the working and cutting of this. Okay? You guys have a good one. And always listen to what I say at the end. That if you smile, the world will smile with you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.